Hey guys, so obviously as you can tell from the title, this is a get ready with me video and I'm getting ready for an academic banquet and I just thought that I would film me getting ready so you could just see the process. I have a hair wrap on. This is a microfiber cloth that I got from TJ Maxx and it just helps dry your hair better, like less fuzz. So I put that in after the shower and now I'm gonna do my makeup. First, I'm gonna spray this Heritage Store Rose Water and Glycerin spray. I got this from TJ Maxx, 2 for $6.99. You gonna focus on that? Then after that, I'm gonna apply this glycolic acid, which I also got from TJ Maxx. I'm not really gonna wait until that dries. I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with this oil-free moisturizer with sunscreen. It's broad spectrum, SPF 15, and it's from Neutrogena. I'm gonna do my brows. First, I'm going to be starting off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and this is in the color, I believe, soft brown. Okay, next what I'm using is the Almay Brow Pencil. This is what it looks like. It has a spoolie on this end, and then on the other end, it has this little waxy little pencil. Lastly, for brows, I'm using the NYX Professional Tinted Brow Mascara. Focus. There we go. And this is in the color, I just believe it's in the color brown. Oh, it's in chocolate. It's in chocolate. Okay, next we're moving on to some foundation. I don't normally wear foundation, especially day to day in the summer, but today is a special occasion and I want to just, look my best. So I'm going to wear the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid Foundation. And this is in the color Porcelain Ivory. Apply this, I'm going to be using my Real sponge. And I just actually cleaned it today and that's why it looks so perfectly clean. The concealer that I use literally for everything is the Maybelline Fit Me concealers. I'm going to use 3 different shades today, but 2 for concealer. The first one is in shade 5, which is the lightest one, in Ivory. And I'm going to put this at the highest points of my face. And then for the under eyes, just because I need a little extra coverage, I'm going to use in 10 Light. Now, because we're looking really flat, we're going to add some bronziness contours to the face with the NYX concealer. And this is in the color 30 Cafe. I take it and I put it on the back of my hand just like this. And then I take whatever side of the beauty blender I'm using and I pat it so that I can control where I want it. next up is powdering the face to set everything so that nothing melts and creases and moves throughout the paint. So for setting, I'm going to use the Airspun Loose Face Powder in the color Naturally Nude. Okay, next is going to be bronzing up the face with powder over our cream bronzer, and I'm going to use a mixture of this bronzer that's in the Becky Chrissy.
Nice try, but that wasn't right.
Vegan palette, it's this one, and I'm going to use that one in conjunction with the butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. And this is in the color Deep. After bronzer is going to be some blush and some highlight. And so first, for blush, I'm going to use this Tarte blush, and it is in the color Partay. And up next for highlight, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. This has been all over YouTube for a very long time. And I'm going to use the one in, you guessed it, Precious Petals. We're going to use the palette that I always use, the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette. This is what it looks like. I always use this color for my transition color, and then the one underneath it, I use that to deepen up the crease. And then I'll use the brown colors down here, usually this one because it's more cool tone and neutral. Hi, hello.
This is harder for me to watch than it is for you.
Next, for the lid color, I'm going to go back into the Becca Chrissy palette, and I'm going to use a shade that really is for, I think, highlighting, but I'm going to use this shade. And then for the inner corner highlight and the brow bone highlight, I'm going back in with the Wet n Wild highlighter that I used. I think that it ties everything together when you have the same highlight and then you bring it in to the eye look. So that is all for the eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna just put on some mascara and then the eyes will be done. But I did forget to tell you which mascara I'm using. I'm using the CoverGirl, the Super Sizer, and this is what it looks like. And this is the waterproof version. I use the waterproof version, I probably shouldn't. And this is in the color Very Black. Okay, so for the lipstick, I picked this L'Oreal Paris. What is this in? The color Rich lipsticks. This is in 843 Toasted Almond. And then on top of that, I decided that I want to put the NYX Butter Gloss. And this is in the color Creme Brulee. Okay guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I'm gonna clean up my little area here and then we're gonna do hair next. So I'm just gonna take it out of this cloth now. By this Marc Anthony oil. Now all of my hair is brushed out and I'm ready to start blow drying it. I am gonna add a few curls into my hair, nothing fancy, just super quick. And I'm gonna use my Numi curling iron. I don't know what size this is or anything. I got it for Christmas. Okay, so I just finished throwing some waves slash curls kind of into my hair. I'm gonna take the rosewater spray that you saw in the beginning and I'm gonna spray that on my face. And I will show you my jewelry. So this necklace is from Forever 21, but it is from London. When I went to London, I bought that. It was like £4.
And just a heads up, that bronzer on my hand, I think I did forget to take it off before I went to the banquet.
This ring is Pandora and it is also from London. This ring is from my boyfriend. This bracelet that I'm wearing, that it says hashtag kiss and makeup. It is from Tarte, has a little Tarte tag on it right here. So this is the finished makeup look. This is my little dress. The dress is from TJ Maxx. I would have got it for my graduation, but I figured why not wear it? It's just everybody needs a good little black dress. These shoes, I want to say, are from Charlotte Russe. They're the brand Bamboo. I got them, I think, 2 summers ago. I'm about to go to the banquet. It's around 6 and the banquet starts at 6:30, so... Okay guys, so that was the finished get ready with me. I'm off to the banquet. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and like this video. See you next time. Have a fancy day.
Is someone gonna tell her that a like and a thumbs up are the exact same thing?